All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. YouTube, it's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Hbar update. Please do go ahead and follow my Twitter. It's Louis_crypto. It's the only Twitter I have, and we're almost at 2K followers. So let's bump this up and get this to 2K. Please do also like, subscribe, and comment on this video, as YouTube and Twitter as well is all about engagement. So that is actually liking and leaving comments below, and me replying back to those comments. Guys, I wanted to bring your attention to these two posts on my Twitter where we were suggesting that Hbar lost this trend line over here, and it looked like it wanted to attack the low over here, retracing back down to this low, trying to invalidate any further upside. But I also said in the next video, if we go over to here, in this update, I actually removed that line, and I told you that I don't like trend lines. I like horizontal supports, and although that trend line was lost, we can see horizontal wise we're still holding this higher low, and this was a few days ago now, on the 25th of April. So I did actually make some posts over here just in case I wasn't making a YouTube video, but yeah, I posted that with a YouTube update. Make sure you're checking this out, because I'm also showing you some trades that we're doing in the Discord community. Make sure you join the Discord community. You can find all the links you need either in the top right corner or in the description or pinned comment section down below, where you'll find my link tree that brings you over to all these links. I'm going to be discounting my course and my mentorship for over a week. Now, if you want to get the discounted prices, I would say please message me either on my Twitter or Instagram, because at the moment it's not discounted over here. So I'll send you a link, but here is the information. You can go check this out in your own time, but the discount will be on the full plan, in which I'll actually include the course, which is £150 of value completely for free, and I will also discount this on top. If you just want the course, there will be a discount there, but check out my channel memberships. If you want to join the chat, this is the first one where you join the chat, the Louis Crypto alerts. But I just wanted to bring your attention to the fact that Gavin over here has claimed some TA on some crypto, so I will be bringing out 2 new cryptos later on today or tomorrow. But yeah, heading back to Hbar right now, we can see that the horizontal support over here is still being held. Now, we had quite a crazy day yesterday in the markets, with, of course, at first huge pumps and then all being fully retraced. So it seemed as we saw a bank collapsing and price started to go up. But then there was a bit of panic because we invalidated that pump, and we can see on Hbar itself that it's printed something called a doji. But what I must say, guys, is that this doji is bouncing off a key level of resistance, the 20 daily EMA. Now, because we have wicks on either side, it's just saying we don't really know what's going on. So I would personally try and stay clear when I'm seeing this for potential trades, for potential short-term trades, leverage trades. I would be staying away, because the chart itself is saying I don't know what's going on. That's what the doji means, an indecision candle. This could go up, this could go down, so I wouldn't be surprised if we can't try and retest either one of these wicks. So I'm going to make it quite easy for you now. I'm going to start on the daily, but we'll scale down maybe to the 4-hour or even the 1-hour time frame. But first of all, I'm going to draw 2 lines, one marking out this low over here, and I'm just going to copy this and paste it, and one marking out the top of yesterday's candle. So I've just essentially drawn out the range of yesterday's candles, of yesterday's candle, the wick highs and the wick lows. And so we are now trapped between these two. But what I must say is that because we retested the 20, it's likely that it wants to continue the downtrend. We are underneath all these moving averages. This suggests downtrend continuation, unless we're breaking through them. Can we see when we were underneath, we're meant to continue down, but at some point we broke through and it now started on an uptrend. And we played around with it a bit, because in consolidation periods, the moving averages are not the best. It's best in trending markets. Then we've got a big red candle over here engulfing the previous one. So a nice bearish chart pattern over here, candlestick pattern. If you're not aware of these, again, I've discounted the course and the one-to-one mentorship. So if you want to take action, all the things you need, starting from completely zero knowledge. You don't even need to know what a Japanese candlestick is, or an uptrend or a downtrend. I have everything in place so you can identify these. It's all about candlestick and chart recognition, as well as the psychology behind it of when to trade, when to leave the market. So that's why I'm telling you guys, I'm not trading this, I'm leaving this. This is nothing clear over here. This doji is not a clear picture, so we need to simply wait. Now we'll scale down to the lower time frames. So let's head over to the 4 hour to see if this is pretty clear. Not at all. Because I'm seeing candles like this, which pretty much don't make sense. Like this should not open there, it should open there. So probably the 1 hour's messed up as well. Yeah, the 1 hour's messed up. I'm going to try and find another Hbar chart for you guys. This is currently the Binance one. So let's go over to, oh goodness, I bet they're all messed up. Yeah, they're all messed up. Hbar USD. Let me know if there's a well, there must be a Bybit one, shouldn't there? Yeah, the Bybit one's way better. Perfecto. So yeah, I'll be using this for the lower time frames for sure. But yeah, I'm going to go back to the daily and just mark out those levels again. But we can see clearly the retest of that 20 daily moving average, signaling for downtrend continuation. So first of all, we measured out that wick high sitting at 6.3 cents. I say it like that because it's easier to say than $0.063. You see that was just so long. So get used to me saying 0.6 cent or 6.4 cent or whatever it was, and down here, instead of me saying this is $0.058, I'm gonna say $5.8. It's just so much simpler. I'm just telling you guys this because there's a few people in the last few days that are commenting on it, but it's not wrong to say $5.8, sorry. Sorry, cent. But yeah, now let's scale down to the 4 hour and look at this. So here we go. We can see that this is our range high, this is our range low, and we're just going to consolidate between the two, but we are underneath the 55 at the moment and the 200. So looking for downtrend continuation. That's what the moving averages are suggesting. But what I'm telling you guys is I'm not touching this at all until it can decide. Are we going to break this point or this point? Let's look at the 1 hour if it's any clearer. Not really. What I will do for you guys though is use my Fibonacci. So from the high to the low of the range, we can see that we're coming into the golden pocket already. Now this would suggest downtrend continuation, but I've already suggested to you guys, do not do anything unless this is broken. Do not do anything unless this is broken, because again, we're just ranging, we're just consolidating. Now this is rejecting the golden pocket. That would suggest downtrend continuation, but we're still above this. So as long as we're above this, this is our floor. We should go up from here. As long as we're below this, we should go down from here. So this is what I mean. It's very confused, and the daily candlestick pattern is giving away everything. It's a doji, and that's just saying it doesn't know what's going on. So there's no point in trying to trade when the market doesn't know. And when you look at the Bitcoin chart, it is actually crazy right now. Let me show you. So look at that candle for you guys. So again, for Bitcoin, it's still between the 20 and the 55 when it closed. Now today we're going up, but again, now we need to break that wick. Just what we're saying with Hbar. Let's mark out the low, let's mark out the high. We're not doing anything until either one of these are broken, essentially, for Bitcoin. And that's why you should just mirror that onto Hbar over here. So again, when we scale down to the 1 hour time frame, we see our range high, we see our range low, and we also understand that we've already rejected like the midpoint, essentially. So because of that, I'm going to now measure from my low to that midpoint, the highest point there. And then we can see we have some key levels of support just down below. So this is why, although earlier we were saying should go down like this now, look, I've just used some new fibs. It's saying we could just come down to here for continuation up to the top. So that's why I'm going to leave it off today and just say that we're simply waiting for a daily break between above either the 20 daily moving average here, sitting at about 6.3 cent, or a daily close below this at 5.8 cent. Until then, this is just going to continue to consolidate, and we are still holding these key levels over here as support. So going forward, just maintain this, looking for bounces from here. So we're looking for those reversal candlestick patterns. Now, doji could be that, a doji could be that, but understand it's also rejecting this resistance at the same time as this support. So it's at support and resistance. Now, if this was just at one of them, I would say, yeah, we're looking for a reversal, but we're at both at the same time. We can actually see over here when it was touching the support, the wick to the top was not touching the resistance. And so when this doji appeared, as well as here on the left as well, we reversed. We were coming down, it appeared, and we reversed. We were coming down, it appeared, and we reversed. So now that we're at support, we should basically suggest the same thing, but we're also at resistance, so it's just basically saying it doesn't know. And so there's not much more to say. I will update you once we have broken either this high or this low. Maybe I'll make an update on Twitter if that's happening today, but I would personally wait for the daily candle to close. Guys, I hope this was so informative for you. I hope you learned something new. Let me know in the comment section if you did. Let me know what you think will happen with Hbar. Are we going to bust through this 20 and head to the 200? Will we now lose this low and come for that low, which would again be the invalidation point of any further buys for the short, very short, immediate short term? But other than that, again, make sure you're following my Twitter over here, Louis_crypto. And if you want to be a part of my Discord community where we took this trade and I go through exactly why I took them and review them exactly in detail over in my Discord community, so hit the links in the description and pinned comment section below, and you can either join my chat through this link. I will also give you 3 months for free in my chat if you take action on the course and the full mentorship plan. The full mentorship plan, I will also throw in the course completely for free, and both of these will be discounted over this next week. So message me on my Twitter over here or my Instagram so that I can actually send you a link with the discount. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe and comment for the algorithm, as it's all about engagement here, and I'll catch you in the next Hbar update. Cheers.